my Alienware 32-inch curved monitor. Welcome to my rocket room. This is where all the behind the scenes magic happens for my videos, my 3D prints, and my projects. I've been building this setup piece by piece, and today I'm going to show you how everything fits together. Let's start with the heart of my setup, my Alienware 32-inch curved monitor. This thing makes designing rockets and editing all my videos so much easier. The curve really pulls me in. With the extra screen space, it feels like I can do anything. I can open multiple windows for CAD, designing, and editing all at the same time. And right below that, I've got my Corsair K70 mechanical keyboard paired with my RGB Corsair Harpoon mouse. It's simple, clean, reliable, and efficient. It's perfect for late night editing or tweaking designs. Plus, they light up the desk just enough to give me that mission control feel. Now onto one of my favorite parts of my rocket factory is my Bamboo Lab A1 Mini 3D printer. This little guy's gonna be cranking out rocket parts, modeling up my designs, and really anything I need it to do. It's compact but powerful, and honestly, it feels like I have a mini manufacturing line right in my room. Now for my smaller tools, I've got a digital caliper for getting those small, precise measurements I need. It's always the little things that make prototyping much more fun and much more enjoyable, even just as a hobby. And powering all of this is my Acer Nitro 5 laptop. I've upgraded the RAM and put a 2TB hard drive in, so I don't have to worry about losing any of my files or being slow when editing. From CAD design to rocket simulations to editing, this thing does it all. It's not too crazy of a setup, but it's just enough for me. So that's the Rocket Factory room. It's my own little mission control for building anything that I really wish to dream up. Everything here has a purpose, and I can't wait to see what I'll create next. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay curious and aim for orbit.